Top 30 facts about space. The universe is expanding. The universe has been growing ever since the Big Bang, and it's still expanding today. Space is completely silent. Because there is no air or other medium in space, sound can't travel. It's totally silent. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The universe contains an estimated 100 billion galaxies, each with millions or even billions of stars. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. Most of the mass in our solar system is contained within the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet. Even though it's not the closest to the Sun, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Venus takes longer to rotate on its axis, 243 Earth days, than it does to orbit the Sun, 225 Earth days. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece of it would weigh about 1 billion tons. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. These rings are made from billions of tiny particles that range from dust size to the size of a bus. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system. Olympus Mons on Mars is 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high, about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It takes light from the Sun 8 minutes to reach Earth. Light travels at such an incredible speed that it covers the 93 million miles from the Sun to Earth in just 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is so large that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. A day on Jupiter lasts only 10 hours. Jupiter rotates very quickly on its axis, which is why its day is so short. There are over 200 moons in our solar system. Many planets have moons. Jupiter and Saturn alone have more than 50 moons each. Black holes have intense gravity. A black hole's gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. Space has no atmosphere, so there is no weather. Without air, there are no clouds, wind, or rain in space. Astronauts grow taller in space. In the absence of gravity, the spine stretches out, making astronauts slightly taller in space. The Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. In about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are expected to collide and merge. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that's been raging for at least 400 years. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Mercury has the longest day of any planet in the solar system. The footprints on the moon will stay there for millions of years. Because the moon has no atmosphere, wind, or water, the footprints left by astronauts could remain undisturbed for a very long time. The moon is moving away from Earth. The moon drifts about 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, away from Earth each year. You can't cry in space. Without gravity, tears don't fall. They just form little balls of liquid. The Kuiper Belt is beyond Neptune. The Kuiper Belt is a region of the solar system beyond Neptune, full of icy bodies and dwarf planets like Pluto. The Sun will become a red giant in 5 billion years. Eventually, the Sun will expand and become a red giant star, swallowing the inner planets, including Earth. Space has a very faint smell. Astronauts say space has a faint smell similar to hot metal or burnt steak due to particles released by dying stars. Comets are made of ice and dust. Comets are often called dirty snowballs because they are made from frozen gases, dust, and rocks. Pluto has 5 moons. Even though Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet, it has 5 known moons, the largest being Charon. Mercury has no atmosphere. Mercury is too small and too close to the Sun to hold on to an atmosphere, so it has none. The Big Bang happened about 13.8 billion years ago. The universe began with a massive explosion, creating everything we know today. Astronauts experience 16 sunrises and sunsets a day. When orbiting Earth, astronauts on the International Space Station see a sunrise and sunset every 90 minutes, resulting in 16 of each every day.